We practically got paid to stay at this hotel in beautiful Tenerife, Spain. In this video, we give you a quick tour and Tyler details how he got this deal. There's a kitchen!
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, this place is awesome. It's a whole little apartment.
Yep.
What is this? We got our own balcony with chairs and
like lounge
bed
chair.
thingies. That's amazing. That's great. We get to wash our clothes on this strip.
That's just what I wanted to do on vacation. I was just thinking, man, I'm gonna have to go like a week without washing clothes, and I don't have to anymore. Oh. Now I can do laundry even on vacation.
Yeah, you mean now I don't have to wash your clothes in the sink. Thanks. Okay, this is lovely. Look at this nice little bathroom here. It looks so clean and fresh. Gosh, I'm so excited that we have 3 days here. I'm so excited, babe. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Babe, look at that view. Okay, you can see the ocean.
Yep.
And the flowers. And
So
a tiny door. Look at this tiny door. It's a tiny door.
Hey, is the door small?
It's so cute. Look at this view. Oh my God.
The best part is we're getting effectively paid to stay here.
Well, I would expect nothing less.
So this place is actually a Wyndham. It's called the Wyndham Resorts. And we could have stayed here for free using points, but it was actually a better deal just to pay cash because it was so cheap. It was like $55 a night. And the best part is we're actually going to end up getting paid to stay here because there was 2 promotions going on at the same time. Both to earn 15,000 points with Wyndham for staying 3 nights at a hotel in a certain time period, and the other one was to stay at a hotel for 3 nights in Europe. This is considered part of Europe because it's part of Spain, even though it's closer to Africa. And then on top of that, if you own a credit card with them, you earned an additional 5,000 bonus points. Plus we'll earn about 2,000 points just for staying here and paying with that credit card. So at the end of the day, we'll end up with about $407 worth of points for a stay that total is costing us $170.
We have been to over 26 countries in the last year, and we've saved over $170,000 on travel in less than a year by travel hacking. We're trying to make videos detailing how we do this, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.